Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mikis Auto Tools. This channel focuses on sharing AFS marketing knowledge to help you build effective affiliate marketing systems on platforms like Shopee and TikTok. In the previous video, I showed you how to add content into the MKT page software so you can automate posting, drop affiliate links, and comment in Facebook groups automatically. In this video, I will walk you through the full page management features inside the MKT page software. Before we get into the main content, let's start with the intro. First, go to the page management section. Inside here, the first feature is page list management. In this section, you can add your Facebook accounts and scan how many pages each account has. For example, in my case, one account has 2 pages, and another account has 9 pages. This allows you to manage all your Facebook pages in one place. Next is group management. Here, you can select your Facebook accounts, and the system will show all the groups that those pages have joined. This helps you track and manage everything easily. Next is the Create Page feature. This function allows you to automatically create Facebook pages using your accounts. You can set a delay between actions. I recommend setting it between 120 to 150 seconds to ensure safety and avoid spam detection. You can choose how many pages each account should create. You can also choose the page naming format: *random names, *Vietnamese random names, *US random names, * or custom name lists. Usually, I recommend using a structured list instead of fully random names to avoid duplication and reduce risk. You can also add page categories and descriptions. Each line represents a different description, and the system will automatically assign them randomly to each page. You can separate descriptions using a vertical bar to create multiple variations. Additionally, you can add *phone number, *website, *email, *address, *invite friends automatically. After creating pages, the system can also automatically upload avatars and cover photos. You can choose image folders inside the system, and it will apply them automatically. There is also a feature to assign page admin roles. You can enter UID accounts to share page management permissions automatically. If you are creating pages in bulk, I recommend enabling the option to delete duplicate names and use sequential or random naming modes. It is very important to keep the delay between actions at 120 to 150 seconds. This simulates real human behavior and helps avoid Facebook restrictions or account bans. Next is the Edit Page Information feature. Here, you can select your accounts and update page details in bulk. You can change *page name, *username, *category,
description,
*contact information, *email, phone, website, *profile picture and cover photo. You can also change page settings such as *removing website links, *removing avatars or cover photos, *turning off notifications. You can also set age restrictions for your page: *18 plus, *19 plus, *21 plus, or alcohol-related categories. This is useful if your content is sensitive or restricted. You can also set geographic restrictions: *show only in selected countries, *block specific countries. Next, you can add action buttons such as *send message, *call now, *learn more / visit website. For call now, you must enter your phone number. For learn more, you can add your website link, Shopee link, or Zalo group link. Next is the page role sharing feature. This allows you to assign admin rights to other accounts. You should always keep one main account as the owner to ensure safety. If other accounts get restricted or locked, your pages will still remain safe and accessible. I recommend setting the delay between actions to 120 to 150 seconds for safety. You can choose *full control, full admin rights, * or limited rights, for example, only posting rights. You can also specify how many UIDs each page can assign as admins. Next is the Accept Page Invites feature. After sharing page roles, the system can automatically accept admin invitations. You can also set Asterisk retry limits if errors occur. Asterisk number of invitations per account. Asterisk specific page IDs to accept invites from. You can also choose whether to asterisk accept duplicate page IDs. Asterisk remove existing admins after acceptance. Next is the page appeal feature. This function is used when your page gets restricted or disabled. The system can help you submit an appeal to recover the page. If a page is not banned, the system will simply notify you that no issue is found. Next is the delete page feature. If you no longer need a page or it is no longer useful, you can delete it directly from the system. All logs and history of actions will also be recorded inside the software. So that is a full overview of all page management features inside the MKT page software. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the next videos.